Hi everyone, it's Claire from King and today we're going to look at how to cast on some stitches onto your knitting needles so you can get going on your knitting journey. So grab your needles, grab your yarn and let's give it a go. Okay, so now we've got our slip knot on our needles, we're going to learn how to cast on some stitches. So take the needle with knot in your left hand and then we're going to insert the right hand needle into that loop. You see that? And we're going to now make sure you've got your tail held out of the way and you're using your working yarn, which joins onto your ball of yarn. Take your working yarn and wrap it counterclockwise underneath and over your right hand needle. And then you can see there it comes between the two needles. You're going to very carefully take the tip of your right needle and pull that through so you now have a loop on each of your needles. Then you're going to twist your loop ever so slightly and pop it onto the left needle. And now you have 2 stitches. Okay, now this one's slightly different after the first stitch. So now we're going to, rather than the last time we went into the loop, this time we're going to go between the 2 loops. You see I've gone between the 2 there. And then we carry on as before. So we take our working yarn, we wrap it counterclockwise over our right hand needle. We lift the right hand needle through the gap to make a new loop. We lift that loop nice and loose and we pop that onto our left hand needle. So now we have 3 stitches. Now we carry on as we did with that one. So we go between our 2 stitches, we take our yarn, we work it around counterclockwise over the right hand needle. We bring the loop up onto the right hand needle and then we twist it and we pop it onto the left. One more time, it's nice and slow so you can see what I'm doing. Transfer it from the right onto the left. Now don't worry if you're slow with this, it takes a bit of practice and everybody does it at different speeds, and obviously once you've done it as often as I have you'll get to be a bit quicker at it, but for now you just want to practice getting those loops on. Don't pull them too tight down here because you need to remember that you need to get your needle into that loop. You need to leave enough space there to get 2 needles through the loop. Okay, I'm going to cast on some more and then we'll look at doing the knit stitch. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to have a go at knitting the jumper I'm wearing today, then I'll put the link below.